Hey Manisha and Anu, so I'm practicing trying to do a screencast and I'll use this as an example. So I recently searched up this question um to get ideas of where to take this person and I, I really shouldn't have phrased it that way because then these headings started popping up and it gets worse as you go down the list. So I thought it was too funny not to share. Um, Plus, I also get to practice how to use a screencast. Um, if you want me to open one of them, let's open this one here. And we can see that they have good tips. They have good tips on how to live this life. And okay, I can't stop laughing, so I'm gonna go. Bye, guys.